Oh.
Okay, so
No.
I was the only one doing it.
No, it didn't capture it.
I
Now
like
it
pie.
Yo.
Do fishy face.
Ha. When we watch that, you're gonna laugh at what my face looks like.
I didn't even see it.
I know, but you're gonna laugh when you see it. It's scary looking. There's like a dude with a football on your screen. I'm texting Max on video. Hi, Max. Oh.
I'm talking to Rui and
Ruin.
Rachel and
Girls are
mad awesome.
Girls are mad awesome. Remember,
And
Morgan.
what?
That's so scary.
That's so scary. Don't mess with my favorite lady.
That's so scary.
Oh my God.
Scary. Remember? Boom! Chocolate.
I know they don't. The other account does, bro.
We should dance later.
The people do probably that subscribe to us.
We should dance later.
Oh, no, we shall not.
Not on this. Just dance. Just dance. It's a bit
Just dance to the weekend.
Just dance.
It'll be alright.
Hello.
Stay on the video.
Oh, look, we're moving.
Hello, we're moving on screen.
Wow.
Everybody move.
Wow. Hello, Governor.
Okay, mate.
I have to talk like I have to talk like this all night.
Hello, Governor.
Oh, you're supposed to do that.
I know. I'll start now.
You can
I'll start now.
Well, I'll start right now.
Where'd you go, teardrop?
Let's all do it.
Timmy.
Oh my God.
Timmy walks home with us.
Charlie, you bit my finger.
Charlie bet me, Mom, and that really hurt.
That really hurt.
Oh no, Charlie, why'd you have to do that?
Charlie.
I thought you were
Charlie
Charlie.
bit me.
She bit you? I thought she was Charlie. Ow! Ow!
Ow, Charlie.
Cara just bit me.
Ow, Charlie.
Cara.
Ow.
Charlie.
And that really
Sorry.
hurt.
That
You
sounded
sound just like it. You broke character for about 2 seconds.
No. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm gonna be a retard. No, I'm gonna be ghetto.
I
No,
love texting.
I'm gonna be.
You said flutter.
I'm
What
gonna.
is a flutter?
You guys broke character. I didn't break character yet.
I didn't break character, and that really hurt. See?
See, now I'm going to have bruises on my finger.
Look what I gave her on her finger. She has bite marks in her finger.
Did you guys hear about the Queen? How they found a dead girl's body
Yeah, I heard about that.
on the property?
You got a condom on me.
How did that get into your face?
I eat condoms.
No, don't say that.
Try.
It's like gum.
I got the ring of it.
Mad salty OD.
I'm mad salty with it.
Mad salty with it.
OD.
dough.
Doe. Robert. 331, 332, 333, 334.
Okay, we get it.
Sorry. Don't bully me.
Make the funniest face you can make.
Damn it.
Alright, now make an epic face like you just saw something awesome.
Whoa. I was at the mall with Tara, we heard this girl burp and I started laughing.
I burped
Why?
in the convenient.
Really? Morgan, I like tutus.
I'm sick.
I know. I can do that. Oh! My shirt came up.
I always feel like this. I have a habit. And plus, I'm freaking squished in between you guys. Okay, you can get off me. Ow, 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 ow. Where'd you go? Tell me where you went.
Now get up all up in this camera and scream for the end.